the conversation y'all had in the beginning about drill bits. And I don't want to go back and rehash all that, but what I've traditionally, what I found on drill bits is people who work with lathe tools don't realize that our drill bits should never ever touch metal. And if you kind of get that philosophy in your mind, you get that mindset that your drill bits, whether it be a twist drill, a flat drill, a spur bit, any of the bits, they never touch anything else except wood, and only the wood you want to turn. You have a select set of bits to use because once you've taken the edge off of a bit, one side or the other, and then you put it in your quill and your tailstock, and you start turning that quill, then do you know how much force you put on that? You put a lot of force on it, and if you're drilling it to end grain and you're starting to walk, it will walk across the piece. It doesn't have anything to follow. It will pick up that one dull corner and walk across with it. Same thing with your spur bit and anything else. So when you dedicate bits to what you love and treasure working in your shop, dedicate them to that and take care of them. Check the edges. Don't throw them in a bucket or a can or a bottle or a box or mix them all together. Treat them like the sharp cutting tools they really are. We kind of overlook that a lot, from Forstner bits all the way up and down. We forget that they're razor sharp tools and rely on that edge to do precision cutting force. And it doesn't matter if you agree or disagree with oversized drill bits or undersized drill bits and large hole first, big hole, or whatever, any of that. If that bit's got the slightest flaw in it, you're losing ground before you get started. So I think right now we could get 10 guys together and get 10 different opinions on how to proceed to drill into something. But the number one opinion would be start with sharp tools. Just like turning, folks. You don't go buy a brand new tool in the show, come home and turn with it. You come home and sharpen it. And then when it's sharp, then you turn with it. And the drill rig, the right angle rig that was being shown earlier, that's a nifty gadget. What it does is it locks you into a pattern. You don't have to go to a gauge. You don't have to go to a set.